Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Defender error 0x80004004, then please watch this video. Now, the main solution to this problem is to uninstall any third-party antivirus software because that software is interfering with the usual functioning of Windows Defender. Okay, call it Microsoft Defender or Windows Security, whatever you want to call it. Nowadays, it has changed to Windows Security, but for the process, they still call it Defender. Anyway, so you need to remove any third-party antivirus. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left-hand side, select Installed Apps, and then let's say this is the problematic, third-party application, though there is none, and then select Uninstall, and then select Uninstall once again to remove it. Okay, I don't have third-party antivirus applications, but if you have anything like McAfee, Avera, or anything, okay. And then the next one is clean boot. Why? Because you may be deleting antivirus programs, but you may not know what all security programs are causing the problem. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.